Hey everybody, Braden Chase here. How to use Grammarly on your mobile device, on your Android, on your phone, on your tablet. How do we do that? Now there are a lot of ways of doing that. One is through the browser. So if I tap here on Safari, I can go to Grammarly.com. It'll load up here. On this phone, it's actually going to be really awkward because the screen is so small, but it can be done. As I move in here, I think I used that was the right password there. And you're seeing all of this, but like how long that password is, it's huge. There you go. It says, no, you can't do that because your screen is too small. On an iPad, it does work. You can get in and it functions just like a normal computer. However, on the phones, right, you have this problem. If you try and use the browser like this, you run into this problem. They say, no, stop, don't do it, go away, whatever, right? You can't do it, they won't let you. So how do you do it? Well, they tell you right here. To use Grammarly on your mobile, install the Grammarly keyboard. Ooh. Tap on this download on the App Store. Opens up this cool thing. Here's the App Store, and you can actually download the Grammarly keyboard. So it's not an application in the same sense where you go and you write stuff inside of it like you would Microsoft Word or Apple Pages or Google Docs. It's not like that. This is a keyboard that you can install on your phone, whether it's an Android or a Samsung or an Apple or whatever. You install it on your phone, and anywhere that you use text, you can use this keyboard. So we've got some pictures down here of how this works and what's going on, but I'm going to demonstrate this for you. But that big blue open button right there, that button is what we're going to be using to download. So you tap on that, it would say download. I already have it installed, so I'm going to show you. Open, opens up for you, and these are some settings. And an account. They're going to ask you to sign in, right? I already signed in, so I'm okay. And that's like the whole thing that you can see right here. There's almost nothing that you can do except for these couple pieces. These are options that you want. These are complicated. We can talk about everything. Turn them all on, okay? I don't like keyboard clicks, which is why I have this one turned off. But a lot of people love it, so it's up to you. I do American English, so that's mine, but if you want Australian or British or Canadian, great, you can do that too. But these are just settings. These are not the actual keyboard. So let me show that to you. I'm going to come out here. So I'm going to come in here to Notes so I can show you this keyboard and what's going on. So as I tap this down here, this is a brand new note. New note. Good job, Note. What am I doing? Okay, I'm just typing. I am typing. That's the normal keyboard. However, there are more than one keyboard on these mobile devices, and you can do that by tapping this button down here at the bottom. You can see that, the little planet-looking thing. If you tap and hold it, it shows you all of the different keyboards you already have installed. So I have English, obviously, that's what you see. I also have a Portuguese one. I have Emoji, which looks like this. And then I also have Grammarly as a keyboard. So I let go. Now I have a Grammarly keyboard? What does that mean? Well, it means I can use it to write. Period. What's wrong? It means, now it's telling me, change verb from mean to means. I spelled it wrong. Okay, tap. Corrects it for me automatically. Oh, wait, punctuation. It's telling me I have a punctuation problem. See, the comma is not there. Tap. It fixed it for me. Isn't that so cool? You can do this with a bunch of things. This also works for longer texts. So if I am in my email or something like that, and I'm trying to write something, let's see, I'll grab this one right here. This is somebody else's email. This is not mine. But if I take this and I select all and copy, I can come in here to my note and I can paste the whole thing. Okay, and Grammarly will try to edit this, but Grammarly is not very good at editing those kinds of things. Just copy paste. Like I said, it is not an actual document analysis type tool. So don't try and do that. But if I write this in here, if I tap it in there and I'm like, okay, what if I delete that comma? Will it fix it for me? See, it doesn't do that. Or if I get wrote, see, oh, something did happen that is useful. Or it's suggesting synonyms for me. Synonyms for wrote, composed, jotted down, inscribed. I'm going to go with composed. Now it changed it for me. Now I want proud. Let's do a different word of proud. I am delighted. That's a great word. Oh, now I have a with. Where's my with problem? It composed it. It's telling me I have a with problem. Where is it? I don't see a with problem anywhere. If you tap on the green G right there, that button, it takes you to where the problem is. Okay, with of. It appears verify usage with about. Oh, it says verify preposition usage. It says I am delighted of this book. Yep, that's wrong. I am delighted with. Oh, that's right, because I changed proud and it's proud of. But now it's not proud, now it's delighted. So it's not delighted of, it's delighted with. And it catches that and sees it for you. So let's change that to with. Go, and what's next? Remove the comma on focus. Right there it's telling me. It appears you have an unnecessary comma. Consider removing it. Double or triple your reading speed, enhance your focus, and optimize your cognitive performance. Sure, let's get rid of it. Take it. Bam. There we go. And oh, hey, I want to keep typing. How do I do that? There's a little ABC button right there. There you go. Now you're back and you can keep typing. So I can come up here. This is it. I can do more stuff. I can do more stuff. See if it'll catch that. I can do more tough. Oh, tough is a word, so that's not good. More stuff with one F. See, something's wrong. Stuff to stuff. Fix it. So cool. Very, very helpful. Anyway, I think this is helpful. I use it all the time. My wife uses this all the time when she's on Facebook, when she's doing different things. She'll get in and she will use Grammarly and it will help her do a bunch of cool stuff. And it helps me, right? I'm a native speaker. What did I do? Oh, comma. Yeah, let's put a comma in here. Or today I went to the store. Okay? Something's very wrong. See, and it says like, that's not a word. Store. Store. See, you can tell. It's guessing. How about store? And period. Okay? Isn't that cool? How you can do those different things? And if I tap on that and say, hey, go search this whole thing, it searches through everything, goes, nope, everything's good. Nice job. Okay? Awesomeness, right? Anyway, I just wanted to show that to you guys and show you that you can still use it. And this works inside of Notes, but if I get out and I go into, where's my Google Docs, I can do the same thing in here because it functions through the keyboard. So for example, if I grab this one, here's an article, it's already been written, right? So Grammarly doesn't search it very well, it'll try. That's probably not going to do really well. Let's see what it can do. This is kind of a long article. Okay, it's like, we don't know what that is. CFDC, we don't have that word. Are you sure that's a word? Yes, I am. But look, down here at the bottom, it says 16 issues found. Okay, how do I see those other 16? Well, I go like this. Bam. FXCM, that's also correct. Not in the dictionary. FXCM, FXCM, FXCM. MIFR, that's also not in the dictionary, not in the dictionary. So are these grammar errors? No, they're just acronyms that Grammarly doesn't know. Let's say I want to include them. I have this little button right there that allows me to add. Now, see, look, it took out 13 of those spelling errors, and the FSCS, that's the Financial Services Commission, no, Commission something, I forget what that stands for. But yes, I want that one in there too. MIFR, I want that one in there too. CFDC, got it. Okay, so were those errors? No, those were just acronyms that they couldn't see, that they didn't understand. So let's do another example and then we'll finish up here. So if I move this to, I'm going to change something here to, let's try account fees. Accounts, okay, bam, it sees something's wrong. Okay, I just edited that one word, but it immediately sees, no, stop it, right? That's wrong. So fix it, and it'll fix it for you. So cool. And it works in Google Docs. It works in Microsoft Word. It works in Pages. It works in Numbers. It works in anything that you use. Mail, Files, Pinterest, Facebook, Messenger. Anywhere that you use a keyboard, you can use the Grammarly keyboard, which is why they designed it that way. I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you like it, awesome. Please post underneath, and I'll make more videos for you. If you don't like it, please tell me why, because I can't understand why you would not like this thing, because it helps you write better, because Grammarly is totally awesome. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.